Well, howdy folks. I got her back together. Had a friend help me weld the tank, but it was all ripped off, well, the fake tank. Put a new chain and sprocket on her, new wheel bearings, new chain. Figured out the light was broken, wires inside at the back. Carburetor, used one off of a old Honda mower. The fuel bowl was cracked. Somebody cracked it. Good thing they did crack it, because all the water when the tank was left open, it would drain out. But let's start her up and see how she runs. Purring like a kitten. Take this little Baja for a rip. 196 cc. Oh yeah. Great. Running good. Bring it on. Alright. Check out my website, www.ratsleds.com, and on the message board.